Good evening friends, today's date is 13 October 2020 and our today's video topic is string in Java, methods of string in Java. Let's we discuss about the methods of string in Java. First of all, we have to know about what is the string. String is a sequence of characters in Java. Means the sequence of characters of character of array is also known as the string. Then it can be allocated into it can provide by the using the java.lang.string class, and class is used to create an object class. Means it can be there are three classes of the strings, like string buffer and the string builders. These are the there are with different of specifications. That's why there are three classes, and the strings can provide the some methods to perform many another operations to make easy to users, like compare methods, concat methods, equals methods, split methods, join, replace methods, compared to comparable, intern methods, contains methods, booleans like methods, like sorting methods. These are all the methods provided by the strings in Java. Then we have to discuss about the char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of characters. And string is the string buffer and the string builders class implements. It means that we can create the string in the Java by using the three classes: string implements, string buffer, and the string builder implemented. I mean, Java in the Java string is an immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created, and for mutable strings you can use the string buffer and the string builder classes also for this let's we have to know about the how we can create the string objects. There are two types of creation of objects. One is string by using literal, and the second one is new keywords. Then what is the difference between of both of them? Then let's we have to see the one string literals. String literals can be created using the double quotes. For example, we can take the string s is equal to hello world. Then hello world can be stored into the SVM memory. Means when we create this object by hello world name, then it can the call JVM call to the memory area, then into the memory area, into the heap memory, and heap memory also into the SB memory internally. Then SB memory, first of all, string constant pools can be first check these objects is already exist or not. If there is not exist, that is no created of the same objects, then it can be created the hello world object into the SB memory. If it is there available, then it will not created the new object. It will reference to the to that object in the hello world. This is an means new instance objects can be only pull to the new objects. Then for example, we can create the s1 object and s2 objects by hello world, but then SCP memory can be checked. First of all, JVM can check into the SCP memory. If there in the SCP memory it is created the hello world, then second s2 will not be created, because s1 is already created hello world. Then that's why the hello world can be refers to the s2. Then second one is by using the new keywords, and the first one literal can be mostly used by the users. The new keywords can be created the string s is equal to new string and hello world. In this scenario, the objects can be, if hello world is in the SB memory, it will not created, but in the heap memory can be created. Then there are two objects are created into the by using the new keywords. If there are not available into the SB memory, then at this time we can create hello world into the SB memory also and the heap memory also. If and the another one we can create the same object name, then into the heap memory can be created another new object of this hello world, but in the SB memory cannot be created. Let's see how to see the some methods of the string. Char at I means I or integer index. It returns the character value for a particular index. Int length, it returns the length of the strings. of the string length. Then another one is substrings. Substrings can be string, substring, and begin index. It returns the displaying the given begin index number of that string. Then same as we can see the string, substring, begin index, and end index. First index name and the last index names can be shown. Then another we can string uppercase character also, and the lowercase character also possible. In the uppercase it returns a string as a uppercase, and we can use the string uppercase in the local I, means it returns the uppercase using the string specified local. Then we can see the trim method. String trim is equal to it removes the beginning and the ending spaces of the string. The static string value of index int value, it converts given type into the string. It is an overloaded method. Same as lowercase methods also possible. String to lowercase, it returns string into the lowercase. Int index of the string substrings, it returns the specified substring index numbers, and the int index in string, substring, and in form index, it return the specified substring and index starting with the given index. Thank you very much. Our today's topic is complete.